Today we are going to discuss about the editorial. Today the main heading of the editorial is safety deficit. Safety deficit. So here we know that now we also I think we also everyone heard about the news like a plane was crashed, right, which is in Kozhikode. So here the main sentence was the Kozhikode air crash shows that there are no compromise on airport infrastructure. So here it meant that due to anyone's negligence or due to anyone's like we say, right, due to anyone's some will take some will be so much irresponsible, right. So for this air crash or any other accidents, the main owner or the caretaker will be the responsible for it, right. So anyone should not compromise on this issue because due to this accident many of the people has lost their lives, and so no one were ready to compromise themselves and to forgive the airport infrastructure, because it is not that much right thing done by them, and everyone should be somewhat strict in every rules, because it is one of the riskiest and the easiest journey, but it is also somewhat dangerous. So everyone should be somewhat careful, but they were not careful, so we should not compromise, even though if they asked us. The tragic crash of an Indian Air India Express Vande Bharat relief flight in Kozhikode, in which 18 people, including two crew members, lost their lives and many were left severely injured, in a forceful reminder is an forceful reminder that no one was acceptable risk in aviation. So here, we spoke about the air crash, right? Here, most of the 18 people like who are traveling in the aeroplane or in flight, and the crew members means like who work in the flight for the people, or pilot or any air hostess, like two crew members will have lost their lives. And not only them, and the people who were traveling in a flight, and some of the people were also severely injured, and like they were in the final position, so it's more risky, right. So no one was enough ready to accept their mistake, and no one is ready to compromise themselves, because losing 18 members and two crew members, like almost 20 members have lost their lives, right. And some of the people's life was at risk, and some was the bad, and some of the, like we'll say, right, awkward thing, and it is some of the careless thing done by the air members or crew members and other pilots or any other managements. So no one was able to compromise, because even in one, like even by taking one person, every family will depend on one person, right. That means that nearly 20 families got affected by this incident, and not only 20 families, even now some of them are some of the people are some injured, and they were in the last stage. Even if anything happened for them also, even that family also will face so much problems, right. So it's not the compromisable thing. If we punish them somewhat like in a crucial way, then the mistake will not be repeated again. So it is not that much, so it is not good to compromise ourselves enough, and we have to take a strict action on them. And this is will be the no it is an accept it is not an acceptable risk. It is not at all acceptable by anyone, because it is like a crucial thing, right. And it's also irresponsible. If they were like good enough, then it is somewhat good, right. So here the meaning of aviation means stop or avoid. uh, here acceptable risk in aviation. So for to prevent this all the things, or to stop all the things, we have to take a serious action on this moment, and we have to stop other risk which will be happened in future also. Although an even bigger disaster was evicted by the absence of fire in aircraft, the crash snuffed out the lives of many returning home from Dubai after a long time traumatic separation from loved ones in the pandemic. Here, the crash snuffed out. We know that in this lockdown, many families had missed their children, or father or mother, or their relatives, or the loved ones, or some may live in the abroad and they want to meet their parents who are living in India or any other countries. Like that only, some of the Indian people were also will be settled in Dubai, right? So they also want to meet their loved ones or their parents or any other their children or any other relatives. So in that happiness, like they were happy to come, but by mistake, like it's not a mistake. It's like not even an wantedness, but also like due to their irresponsibility or carelessness, they were completely divided from their family or from their loved ones. So during this pandemic, many of the people had like suffered a lot to meet their family. But after like they kept hope to meet the family, but it is somehow finally they lost their life and they could not even see family. Not enough forever. They can't even see the family or the person who has lost their life. And even like even the fire was extinguished in the flight, and the full flight was damaged and many other people were injured. So it is not that much so it is one of the wrong thing done by the air crew members. So if they were responsible, if they were careful about the things and about the fire things or about the measurements, then it would be somewhat careful, and every people may even go near the loved ones, and they also met their loved ones, and they also spend time with their family, right? But it did not happen due to the carelessness of the aircraft people. Many Indians could not quickly return home from countries where they were employed, studying, or traveling, although they desperately sought flights back home since March. We know that mainly in India, so many for an employment or for any other job sake or for any business settlements, like they will be moving from one place to other place, right? So the people who moved in February or March was stuck in that place, so even they can't even come to India as much as possible, because even India also, even some of the cases were developing in India, and even some of the cases, and no one is somewhat that much left from other country to other country, right? So it's somewhat risk for the other people also to come into India. Not only so the people who went from here to the other foreign countries, so it is not that much easy to come to India by crossing with all the permissions or any other things. Finally, even though if they took permission also, finally they could not even see their family. When they were employed, studying and traveling, all are desperately sought flights back for home since March. And when people also may go for studying, or some of the people will also go for studying, right, for MS or any other things. Even they also was for stuck in the other countries, and they also may also not come to India since March. For those who took that long away trip on August 7th, it ended in disaster. Who had finally thought to go to India or to their birthplace or to the other places on the specific date of August 7th, so it became a big disaster for them, and it became a bad moment, and it became a sad, and they again lost their life, and it became a sad moment for their family members, because for meeting them he or she has lost their lives. And on August 7th, it was a big disaster, because it was a day where many of the people waited to go near the family and meet and spend their time with their loved ones. There are clear pointers to the dangerous nature of flight operations at Kozhikode Airport in the midst of a strong monsoon, even when there is the availability of instrument land saying term of the tabletop runaway craved into undulating terrain. There are problems with visibility, short flight safety in the runway, and then optimal and absence of airsteer systems. In the traveling in the flight, yeah, even though there were some mistakes, or some of the mistakes that has said to the pilot or the crew, the other members, like they were not that much what will say, they were not checked again. Here the main reason for the attack, for the crashing of the flight, is that the vision problem or an optical problem, like they can't see the far short and distances, so that become a major problem in this accident. So even they, like, even in safety area at runway also, they could not even see where the safety area and where the runway or where the landing place. So it also became a problem for them. And the absence of arrested system that could not stop an overshooting plane from falling off the edge, as it happened with this aircraft. So even though many systems thought to control it, it did not happen to stop the edges of a plane to stop in a particular place. It did not happen with them, and it became a big disaster. And even the same thing. So any system cannot stop the edge of a flight, and the same thing happened in this incident. Which of these factors, along with the monsoon impact, led to the disaster will become clear with the provisional investigation. So here, like there will be some disasters, right? Here, flight disaster. So they want they so many of the people thought that this is something, a tragedy was there. So finally, the police and the other investigators had thought to make a professional investigation, and they also want to find the main mistake and the main problem with this crash. And they also thought to begin an professional investigation. The civil aviation with the professional investigation should make a full disclosure on the technical evidence gathered, the integrity of which will be securitized by a safety organization worldwide. So many of the people had said that to check all the technical settlements and the technical evidences, and to check all of them which were or grind, which were all wrong. Apparently anxious to product an image of normalcy, the minister allowed the airport to restart flights in a day. Well, the accident cause was yet to be ascertained. If rain conditions existed due to landing, as if has said, these may persist during the rest of monsoon. So after this incident has happened, and in this monsoon time, here the minister, aviation minister Harip Singh Puri said that flights can run at any time, but not in the monsoon or in the cold climate, because it may also be somewhat skiddy and it may also be somewhat smoky, right? So due to becoming smoky on the glass of a flight, even the pilot may also cannot see the flight properly, right? So it may even lead to another accident after this. So minister had told to take a safety things, that not to travel in the monsoon and can travel in the rest of the monsoon. And each flight must therefore be considered as a potential diversion to a safe point nearby in a bad weather. So minister has said that when the flight want to start, or when it want to start, that everyone should check the condition, and if there was a significance of a bad weather, then they have to land nearby an airport for the safety next. And if they travel in a bad weather, it may again be harmful for the people and for the crew also. Significant is the admission by the DGCA that the key recommendation of runway extension of Kozhikode made almost a decade ago, it was not possible due to land acquisition issues. Although the facility could still support wide-bodied aircraft, strengthens the view that corners may have be cut on safety. To like they In the last year also, they had that to extend the runway of a Kozhikode somewhat for fitting the flight in it, but they had not that much care there, like due to some land settlements or due to some land disturbances, they did not extend the runway. And finally they are cutting the edges of the flight for the safety and for the safety and for the landing safely. Even though they said to do even though they said to extend the runway, they did not. So finally they are only cutting the curves on the edges of the aircraft. And the incidence of an Air India Express plane suffering a tail strike in the same airport last year would have led to the full assessment, following a recommendation made after this 2010 crash in Mangalore. So even this is the same thing happened in the Mangaluru, and so even though when they set them to correct them, they did not. So if are not correcting them, we also suffered enough. So everything should be followed by everyone, which is assigned by the government. And the crash in Bangalore has happened in 2010. So in the 10 years also, anyone did not change the rule, and now it caused the life of 20 peoples. Since the visible cause of Friday's crash was an overshoot, the runway continues to pose a threat. Bad meteorological conditions such as rain, wind, and runway surface problems such as stagnation of water and rubber deposits and the contribute to skidding and danger passengers and crew. So for this, even the meteorological conditions means like skiddy, like in while in the rain when there is a rain, it like then the land will be somewhat skiddy, right, filled with water or some of the smoke or the particles, and even some of the so everything, so they try to ensure the runway very clean without any rubber or without any plastic or without any substances which will be harmful. And they also not to they also set to decide that anyone should not travel in flight, and the flights will be banned during the train or any wind positions. Every air safety incident diminishes Indian reputation. The Kozhikode crash lead to the fresh review of all risky reports. Transparent remedial action must be taken immediately. So finally, here they have given that in the Kozhikode it was happened due to the disturbance of meteorological problems. So everyone thought that it is somewhat risky. So anyone should not travel in risky atmosphere. And for this, all the causes, everyone should take immediate action immediately. And again this mistake should not be repeated again by the passengers or by the air crew. Thank you.